use Earth's magnetic field for orientation. Lost land animals may not be able to find their way home, but sea animals might. There is an evidence that some animals like sea turtles and salmon have the ability to sense the Earth's magnetic field and to use this sense for navigation. This creepy real experiment are more trees on Earth than stars in our galaxy. NASA experts believe that could be anywhere from 100 billion to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Snopes reports, however, a publisher that is in year 2015 in the journal Nature established that the number of trees around the world is much higher, that is 3.04 trillion. So there are more trees on the earth than stars in our galaxy. Morning guys, do you all know that oxygen has a color? As a gas, oxygen is odorless and colorless in its liquid and solid forms. However, it looks pale blue. Some science facts are just plain. Oxygen is produced by the ocean. Ever stop to think where oxygen comes from? Your first thought may be a rainforest, but organisms take the bite, plankton, seaweed, and other photosynthesizers produce over half of the world's oxygen. You can weigh over a million pounds. Your childhood dreams of floating on a weightless cloud may get rained on with these facts. The average cumulus cloud can weigh up to a million pounds. A million pounds. That's about as heavy as the world's largest passenger jet.